Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of Pinky Slink. Whoops. Did I say Slinky? No. Not Slinky no more. Let me reset this. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of Pink Lightning. Who the hell said that? Hey! That's my line! Let's go find that bastard. Hey! I don't know where he went. Bastard must have escaped. Dang it. Anyways, yes everyone, I changed my YouTube account to Pink Lightning. You guys can go check it. You'll find out when you guys click on this video. And yeah, and guys, guess what? On Xbox One, hopefully tomorrow, should be up. I was messing around because I wanted my own crew, like make my own for Pink Lightning, because everything's changed. The Facebook page, my biome, like you'd have to figure out, but it's kind of confusing. I'd show you in the next different video. No, Twitter's just Alec Hansen. Like my name, Alec Hansen. Anyways, yeah, we did all that. I'm sorry if I keep looking up here. I just love my masterpiece that I'm gonna show you. It's just we did that. We messed with stuff, and then after that, I did something else. I should have put ears on this guy, but who cares? I wanted to do something else to like make this guy look cooler, like for my album, for Pink Lightning. If you guys can find, if like there's any lettering, so like you could put underneath Pink Lightning or something, please tell me. But you guys give me a hit like if you guys love this background. Comment no or change if you guys don't. But can you guys do me a favor and tell me how the heck you post it so like it's your album for your crew? I'm confused. I know. Oh yeah, I'm here with them too. Yeah, it's kind of sad. Anyways, I'm kidding. Guys, if you guys could tell me like how to do all this, I'm gonna show you it quickly, but how to post it, please write that in the comments, because confused. As guys will see here, confused. I love you guys so much. Thank you for have 8 subscribers, by the way. Thank you. Love you all. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this, the emblem editor on Social Club. It should be up tomorrow, because the only reason it's not up now is because I accidentally, for my Social Club on my phone, I have to switch it back to Xbox One. Xbox One, Grand Theft Auto 5, this is what it's for. Well, Social Club, that's kind of easy to, But yeah, that's what it's all going to be for. I might, if I get one for the PS4, it's not going to go there. Just so you guys know, if you guys have an Xbox One, come join me there. If you guys don't, it's okay. You're part of it anyways. In the heart of the Pink Lightning, Pinky Slinky will be remembered. I might accidentally say Pinky Slinky when I'm not used to it, but hopefully I will. Oh yeah, there's Peanut. Right here. I hope you guys saw him. But yeah, hopefully everything will be there. You guys should come. If you guys do want to see more, well, I'll say that at the end. But if you guys want to see more weird stuff that I do, and you are new to the channel and you want to see more vlogs or stuff like this, come hit subscribe to me and him, because he should be in one of my videos almost every week. Hi. Hi. He says hi. Go get him. Go get the baby. The baby jumped. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you this. For a long story short, I'm gonna show you this, guys. Tell me how. If you guys know how, can you guys tell me how to put lettering underneath, if that's possible? And can you tell me how to make it so I can like put it as my thing, so I'm not like a question mark with a. I'd have to show you later, but it's confusing. If you guys know how to do this, please tell me. I'm trying to make this fast so it doesn't cut and then recut. It's pain in my butt. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you this quick. Here we go. I hope you guys love it. There it is, guys. I can kind of see it, but right here, oh, it's like a lightning bolt. This is a lightning bolt, apparently. This is me with the thug mask. I hope that's pink for you guys. I hope you guys see pink. Yeah, you do. Okay, I hope. And then this is me. Well, it's supposed to be me with two brown eyes. My brown eyes. You guys can see. It's kind of scary, but I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I got my gun up here. This is actually the color of my gun on one of my games on the PS3 in there. And here's my little launcher. That's supposed to be orange, but I couldn't find an orange, so I made it as close as I could. If you guys see over here, that's actually underneath this mask. I would move it, but it's, yeah, no. And then here's this. I might put a moon like down here so it's like dying down, but, or move the guns down there. But you guys tell me what you think, if I should change it or not. I think I did pretty good, actually. But if you guys think I should change it, tell me. That's that. Oh yeah, and up here, there's pink lightning. As I said, I changed. Hope you guys see that too. I hope you guys saw that, or if not, that'd been bad. But yeah, guys, I gotta go before this thing cuts out. So yeah, if you guys did like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see all you dudes. Wait a minute. I want to see a new outlet. If you guys did like this video, and you're new to the channel, hit the like button. Or if you to give this video some support, guys, please hit the like button. And if you guys are new to the channel and you want to see more daily vlogs like this, or whatever the heck that you call that, hit the subscribe button, guys. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video with this little guy, probably. So yeah, peace. Now I just gotta find the button. Crap.